Hello everyone and welcome to the Car Crash channel. In this video, we break down the latest safety ratings from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS. 8 vehicles from 5 manufacturers have received top awards for 2024 and 2025. Discover why the Genesis Electrified GV70, Honda Civic, Subaru Solterra, Toyota Camry, and others earned the prestigious Top Safety Pick Plus and Top Safety Pick Award. First off, let's explain how IIHS safety ratings work. Vehicles are tested in various crash scenarios like small overlap front, updated side tests, and pedestrian front crash prevention. They also need to have acceptable or good-rated headlights across all trim levels. Now let's talk about the winners. The 2024 Genesis Electrified GV70, 2025 Genesis GV70, 2025 Honda Civic Sedan, 2024 Subaru Solterra, and the 2025 Toyota Camry all earned the prestigious Top Safety Pick Plus award. These vehicles showed stellar performance in protecting passengers and preventing accidents in the IIHS tests. Meanwhile, the 2025 Honda Civic Hatchback, 2025 Mini Countryman, and the 2024 Subaru WRX earned the slightly lower Top Safety Pick award, still offer great safety features. Whether you go for the sedan or hatchback version of the Honda Civic, you're looking at a solid choice. One thing to note is that for the 2 Genesis vehicles, the Top Safety Pick Plus awards apply only to models built after April 2024. This is due to improvements made to the rear seat belts and rear seat design. So what does it take to get one of these awards? To qualify for Top Safety Pick, vehicles must receive good ratings in small overlap front and updated side tests, perform well in pedestrian crash prevention, and have good headlights. For the Top Safety Pick Plus, they must go above and beyond, including achieving acceptable or good ratings in the updated moderate overlap test. So far this year, we now have 38 vehicles that earned the Top Safety Pick Plus award and 53 that earned Top Safety Pick. With more models being tested, we'll keep an eye out for further updates. Unfortunately, not all vehicles came out on top. 3 recently tested models, the 2024 Buick Envista, 2024 Chevrolet Trax, and 2024 Kia Seltos, failed to qualify for either award. The big reasons? They fell short in the updated side test and headlight requirement, with the Chevrolet Trax also missing the mark in the pedestrian test. While not part of the criteria for awards, 2 other important factors consumers may want to consider are the seatbelt reminders and latch ease of use for child seats. These features are critical for family safety but don't directly impact the Top Safety ratings. Whether you're in the market for a new vehicle or just curious about the latest in automotive safety, knowing which models perform best in these tests can make all the difference in your decision. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more updates on the safest cars on the road.